medical text, water on page 12, questions and answers and some exercises. Hello and welcome to your English lesson. Today on page 12 in your medical textbook, we do water. We've read the text and we've done the new words. Today we do the exercises and the reading comprehension questions. So, let's begin. On page 12, the first exercise at the top of the page is which of these statements do you think are true? We have 6 sentences and we decide whether it's true or false. All right, let's take our pen and begin. Number 1. Water is a major constituent of all living matter. Is this true or false? It is true. Second sentence. Water is an odorless, tasteless, clear liquid. Is this true or false? It is true. The third sentence. Water can exist naturally only in the liquid state. Is this true or false? It is false. The fourth sentence. Humans can survive for a long time without water intake. Is this true or false? It is false. The fifth sentence. A human tooth does not contain any water. Is this true or false? It is true. And number 6, the last sentence. When water changes into ice, it expands. Is this true or false? It's true. Yes, it does expand by 9%. There you go. All right, so we go to our next exercise on page 13. And it says here, reading comprehension questions. We have 5 questions, so let's begin. Question number 1. How many states of matter does water naturally exist in? Answer. It exists in 3 states of matter and they are solid, liquid, and gaseous. Number 2. What does water cover? Water covers the outer part of the earth. It is found in creeks, lakes, rivers, oceans, and even underground. It is also snow in the north and south poles. Water vapour is a gas that is found in the Earth's atmosphere. Question number 3. What is the water cycle? Answer. The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on Earth and in the atmosphere. It is a complex system that includes many different processes like evaporation, saturation, and precipitation. Liquid vapour evaporates, condenses to form clouds, and precipitates back to Earth in the form of rain and snow. Question number 4. What is water essential for? Make a list. We begin like this. Water is essential for our body and health, industries, power purposes, recreation and sports, animal and plant life. So, water is essential for our body and health, industries, power purposes, recreation and sports, animal and plant life. Question number 5. What is humidity? Why is it important? Answer. Humidity is a concentration of water vapor in the air, and it is important because it lets energy from the sun pass through and warm the planet. If we don't have humidity, our planet would be a very cold place. Right, we move on with our exercises on page 14. It says here, choose the most appropriate word to fill in each blank. Right, so let's begin. Water vapor is constantly, and we have in the brackets floating, leaving, raising, all, and then once again we have in brackets exposed, locked and covered, bodies of water in the process of, and once again in brackets, depression, precipitation, evaporation. In the next paragraph, the sun's in the bracket light, energy, raises the water, and once again in brackets, liquid, ice, vapor, to the higher, and then in brackets, levels, states, forms, where the temperature is, and again in brackets, higher, smaller, lower. The water vapor in brackets contracts, consists, condenses into clouds and returns to, in brackets, earth, river, ocean. In various, and at the end in brackets, stages, classes, forms. So, water vapor is constantly leaving all exposed bodies of water in the process of evaporation. The sun's light raises the water vapor to the higher levels where the temperature is lower. The water vapor condenses into clouds and returns to Earth in various forms. We continue reading on page 14. Did you know? A boy weighing 100 pounds contains about 70 pounds of water, which is about 31 kilograms, and 30 pounds, which is about 13.5 kilograms of solid matter. In specific tissue, water varies from 80% in the human brain to about 10% in the teeth. So the enamel on the teeth is the hardest substance in the body. And if we look at this illustration here on page 14, it says, if you go out of water, you will still be in water. How is it possible? Well, water makes up about 70% of human body. Are you surprised? I am. Okay, and the last exercise here says word formation. We fill in this table. Adjective, noun, and verb. We begin with the first adjective, long, noun, length, verb, longing, or longed. Next adjective is strong, noun, strength, and verb, strengthen. And the last adjective, deep, noun, depth, verb, deepen. So that ends all the exercises and questions about water. If you have any questions or any comments you'd like to make, you can always do that at the bottom of the video in the comments box, and I'll get back to your questions. So that's all for now, and bye-bye.